Welcome to my new listing in Tempe, Arizona. This house is conveniently located off of McClintock and Guadalupe and is near lots of restaurants, shopping, and several schools. Most of the homes in the area were built in the 70s, so the neighborhood is full of mature, lush landscaping, and there's no HOA. I'm Dawn Forkenbrock with Keller Williams Realty Sonoran Living, and I can't wait to show you the inside. Let's head on in and take a look. In this home, you'll find a separate family room and living area, as well as a formal dining room. The kitchen opens up to the living room, giving it that open concept feel. Kitchen features include granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and extra counter and storage space. You'll love the brick fireplace. This house has 4 spacious bedrooms. The owner's suite has its own entry to the backyard, where you'll find a refreshing pool and nicely sized loft. Thanks so much for taking a tour with me. This incredible home will not last long, so if you or anyone you know is interested, contact me today to schedule a private showing. You can find all my contact information online at dawnsellsazhomes.com.